Hello, hi, how are
Hi,
you?
I'm good. How are you?
So good to see you. I'm good
Same here.
too.
Great.
Yeah. So, guys, she is my very dear friend Shruti.
Hello,
Shruti, tell
everyone.
everyone about you.
All right, like Malvika, I'm a teacher by profession, right? And I'm a happily married woman with a 2-year-old son. So right
Wow.
now, I'm here with Malvika to, learn few basic tips of how to do makeup because, guys, I'm like really raw at the makeup thing. So would just love to, learn few basic tips like since Malvika, we both are teachers. So how to get ready in like really quick time and, to look
Yes.
presentable in front of all the parents and all the children sitting out there. And
Obviously,
like,
yes.
yeah, and along with that, like I would love to share a few of my fashion tips, but like, yeah, after the session gets over.
Yes, guys, she is the one who, she is my fashion police as well as the one who gives me all the fashion tips. If I visit mall, I do, call Shruti before before going to mall. So
That's
she guides me what goes with my body type, what I should carry, what I should avoid. So she is amazing, guys. Do follow her page, Pinto's Closet, guys. She's got amazing collection of loungewear. Shruti, would you
yes.
like to talk about it?
Yes, thank you so
Hi,
much, Malvika.
Amitika.
So,
Shruti Amitika is
Malvika,
there.
oh, hi. Hope you're doing well and you all are safe. So yes,
Yes.
Malvika, like you mentioned, so guys, my mother-in-law started with a new venture by the name of Pinto's Closet. So we are, dealing into different sort of loungewear, kaftans. So if you're really looking for something comfortable to laze around at your home, you can even wear that outside. You just need to accessorize it well. So you can definitely, visit the page, like it, and do a lot of, do shop with us. And I'm sure you won't regret. So I'll
Yes.
be sharing the link also.
I love her collection, guys. You need to check the. Shruti, would you please pin that page down there so that
Yes,
people
I
can check the page?
sure I'll
Hi,
do that,
Garima.
Malvika.
Thank you for joining in, guys. Thank you for taking out time and joining in. And yes, we are going to share something very interesting with you all, which is everyday go-to makeup look. And it's our first live. And if you all would love this session, we will plan more sessions like this. Yeah.
Yes,
Are
guys,
we going to
thank you
do
so
that, Shruti?
much. Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
perfectly. And guys, thank you
Yes.
so much for taking our time and joining the session with us.
It
Means a
means
lot.
a
Thank
lot
you
to
so much.
us. Yes.
Thank you.
So, Shruti, let's begin without
Sure, let's
wasting
do
any
that.
time.
Yes, I'm ready
Yes.
with all my things, Malvika. You'll have to instruct me side by side.
For sure, for sure.
Right.
So, Shruti, let's begin with the essence. So, guys, we have already washed our face and we will first begin prepping our face. Okay, so we are going to prep our face first, for which we are going to use the essence. I'm using L'Oreal one. Shruti, which one do you have?
I have the similar one, Malvika. Thank you.
Wow, amazing. Let's
Thanks
begin,
to
Shruti.
you. You suggested this and really worked wonders for me. Thank you so much.
Most welcome. See, guys, important point you need to note is that before you begin makeup, prepping up your skin is very important. See, a good makeup goes on good skin. So your skin needs to be nice, it needs to be smooth. Only then your makeup would look good on your skin. Okay, Shruti, let's begin.
All right, Malika, the first step is I'll take 4 to 5 drops, right?
Yes, yes, yes. 4, 5
All right.
drops and let's pat. Let it soak in.
Malvika, my face is sweating. Will that bother
Your
the look? I don't know.
What you can use is, Shruti, go for a tissue, just dab, dab, dab. Take
All
a
right.
dry tissue and just dab it over your skin, and it would absorb that excess oil and
Sure.
sweat. And guys, I have a suggestion. So those who sweat a lot, please go for ice cubes, okay? Wrap
Yes.
an ice cube or two in a piece of cloth and pat it over your skin, okay? Your skin would really glow and it wouldn't sweat. It would actually minimize the pores you have around your nose.
Right.
So it is a great hack. Please do try this before you
I
start your
have
makeup.
tried that. Like back in my school days, Malvika, I used to always ice my face before leaving for the school. And used to
Wow.
feel so good. That natural blush which you get
Yes,
after
it gives
icing
you
your
that
face.
natural
Right.
blushed
Yeah.
look. Yes. So now what we are going to do, we are going to moisturize. My
All
hands have
right.
become, yeah. I'll
So
just
Malvika, I
use,
have this one, the Pond's
I'm white.
again suggested by you.
Wow. I'm really happy that you actually look forward to the suggestions. So even I have this Pond's one, guys, and I have an alternate to show. Okay, you can go for this Pond's one, or I'll show you one more option. Let me just adjust a bit. Okay, guys, you can go for this Neutrogena one. It's amazing. So these two are the dupes of Clinique Moisture Surge. So if you can't go for, yes, if you don't wish to go for an expensive option, then this one. And further, if you want to go for a cheaper option, then go for Pond's one. It is amazing. It is going to help. So let's moisturize our face, Shruti.
All right.
I'm going to dot the moisturizer all over my face.
I've actually put them all over my face. So can I just rub them like this?
No need to rub, just pat, pat, pat. Okay? We need to go very gentle with our skin.
All right.
Yes. Just like this. Let it soak into your skin. Keep patting so that it gets really absorbed well. And guys, summer and sweat has a great connection. So if you are going out and if you are doing your makeup, please make sure you have already pre-cooled your room so that you don't sweat while you are applying makeup, because it will actually go down. Okay, it will come off. The makeup will come off. Okay, and please moisturize your neck as well. Neck is part of your face. When you apply foundation, you need to cover your ears, this area, and your neck as well. Okay, Shruti, let's apply primer, right?
Sure.
Have you applied lip balm?
Yes, I have. I've got this
Oh,
Nivea
yes.
one. Again,
Same here,
by you,
Shruti.
Malvika. Like I have everything which you have suggested me.
Wow.
The guys
See,
trust
this
me.
is-
Like she gives
this
amazing
is
advice
how-
when it comes to skincare.
Thank you so much, my dear. So now we'll go for primer. So everyone, just check. We have got Color Bar primer with us. Again, the same.
Yes.
Yes. And guys, we are going to apply the primer around our nose like this. Okay, where we sweat the most. This helps in it diminishes the appearance of pores, and also apply it in your T-zone area, okay, where you have your forehead, around your mouth, over your chin. It controls sweat, and it really helps in smooth application of makeup. So Shruti, have you applied primer? Just
Yes, I
pat.
have.
Do not rub at all. Yes,
Okay,
just
okay.
pat. Yes, because we are filling those pores, we are filling those fine lines. So these actually gives you a smooth base for application of foundation. Like Shruti, जब दीवार में पुट्टी भरते हैं तो वो दरारें भरी जाती हैं, उसी तरह फेस पे भी गड्ढे और दरारें भरी जाती है using this primer.
Okay.
So in the
Thank you.
same way, we have created a smooth base for application of foundation. And now I'll be taking a foundation which goes well with my skin type. Okay, so
All right.
please buy a foundation according to your skin type. If it is oily, then please go for a matte one. If you have a dry skin type, then please go for a foundation which hydrates your skin well. Okay, choose a foundation in a wise manner and apply a foundation here to see whether you are opting for a correct shade or not. Good evening, Meena ma'am. I hope you are doing well.
Good evening, Meena ma'am. Good to see you here, and I'm so happy.
Yes, thank you for joining in.
Yeah, thank
Means
you
a
so
lot.
much, everyone.
So
So
I
now
have
I have
taken
this-
foundation. Yes,
Okay.
on the
So
back
this is
of
the
my.
matte one.
I've taken a pump. Yes.
All right,
Yes.
done.
See, yes, tada. See, we are going for a natural look. We are not going to apply too much of it, and we are not going to make it cakey. So we'll keep
Alright.
it minimum and natural, because people who work with us, they also want a natural look. So we are aiming that their kind of we are looking towards their preferences, and that is what we are going to discuss in today's session. So let's keep it very natural, subtle, and those who wish to go for heavy makeup can increase the amount of foundation, but please build on. Do not apply too much in one go. Go slow. So Shruti, what are you going to use to blend your foundation?
Can I use
Are
my
you going
fingers?
to?
I feel comfortable using my fingers.
You will use your fingers? Fine. I'll
Yeah.
use my blender.
All right.
All right. And please, she is using her fingers, and that's the best thing to do because it saves time. Secondly, what happens is the warmth of our fingers helps in it helps in blending, and our foundation blends really well. So if you need to build up for more coverage, you can go for more foundation, but we are going for little foundation. And I think, Shruti, we do not have skin issues. So
Right.
even if we do not apply much, that would suffice, right?
Do I apply it over my eyelids also?
The same just use your fingertips and massage it
Alright.
over your, yes. I'm going in slow motion. I'm just dabbing. I'm not pressing too hard, okay? I'm using my blender. I'm just dabbing, okay? You need not do this. This would actually remove your foundation.
Okay.
Yes. If you are using blender, just dab, 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 dab. See how one pump works. You do not need much.
Sure.
But if you want more coverage, you can apply more foundation over this. You can build it up. And now I'm using the same sponge to apply the foundation on my neck. Okay. Shruti, you can use your fingers and apply the same on your neck so that everything looks seamless, and the shade of our neck should match with the one which we have used on our face. Okay,
Okay.
the neck should match. Okay, it should not look different. Okay, so we are done with our foundation. Now, Shruti, we are going to use blush. First, we'll complete our face and then we'll go towards eyes. Okay. So let's set our foundation before we go for blush, Shruti. Do you have compact, Shruti?
I do have that.
Okay. So I would like to mention something here. See, compact gives you more coverage and loose powder gives you a natural look. So if you just want to set, you can either go for a loose powder or you can go for a setting powder, which is a compact. So if I go for compact, I am going to give you more coverage to my face. So wherever you think you need more coverage, you can use your compact. I have this MAC one with me. So I'm just going to take a little bit and put it around the areas where I think I sweat to set my foundation. And Pallavi asked a question. Pallavi said that my concealer creases. See, Pallavi, we have not used concealer because we are going for day-to-day look. And I don't think we have got skin issues or we have got hyperpigmentation. But if you think that you want to use concealer, then please apply least minimum quantity, but do prime the area where you are applying concealer. Okay, fill those lines wherein you have to apply concealer. It would give you a smooth coverage. Okay. So I'm applying a little bit under my eyes, around my nose, this laugh lines, and over my
need to use
eyelids.
some other brush for this, Malvika?
See, brushes, technically, whichever goes with your, it's up to us that what goes with our hands. See, from person to person, it varies. Maybe I'm using a particular brush, but other person would be comfortable using another brush. So it completely depends on you. आपके हाथ पे क्या set हो रहा है. So go for that particular brush.
Alright.
It doesn't matter. See, कई लोग फिंगर से पूरा मेकअप खत्म कर देते हैं, तो वो भी पॉसिबल है. कई लोग आई शैडो भी फिंगर्स से कर लेते हैं, तो it's purely optional. और यहाँ हम cheap and best options बता रहे हैं so that brushes हर कोई नहीं खरीद सकता. So let's go with the people who can't buy brushes and who just want to go with the quick options which they already have. Okay,
Somebody like
so
me,
we
like,
are
I'm
not.
very lazy to when it comes to makeup. Yes.
Yes. So sometimes we feel very lazy and we just want to wind up the things
Right.
within 5 minutes. And that is why we use our fingers. And fingers blend our foundation in the best way possible because they have that warmth which actually melts the foundation and it actually gets set on our face. Now, we'll begin with blush. So I'm using the Maybelline one, the drugstore blush. Shruti, which one are you using?
I also have the
Maybelline?
Maybelline one. Yes.
Yes. So I'm using the blush brush. Shruti, you can also do the same. And I don't put blush like this. I actually try to put it like this so that, it gives me a natural look, a flushed look. So I do put them on blush on the apples of my cheeks. See, Shruti, you may go this way. Yes.
Okay.
This. Okay. And drape it with your forehead so that it doesn't look, this part doesn't look different. We are not, we are going to create the same thing overall. Okay. आप लोग क्या करते हैं, आप इतना ब्लश, अगर इतना ब्लश लगाएंगे तो ये पार्ट अलग दिखेगा, ये अलग दिखेगा और हम पार्ट्स नहीं क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, हम एक ब्लेंडेड लुक क्रिएट कर रहे हैं. तो मुझे बहुत सारी क्वेरीज आती हैं कि आपका मेकअप इतना ब्लेंडेड क्यों लगता है. क्योंकि हमें प्रोडक्ट को सिर्फ थोपना नहीं है, उसे ब्लेंड भी करना है. सो योर फेस इज नॉट where you are just going to paint, you have to blend it at the same time. So make efforts, blend your makeup well, okay? And people use tints, you can go for Benetint, okay? I can show you how it looks like. This is how Benetint looks like, okay? People use tint for natural looks, though there are college going girls who must be for watching this. So girls, if you don't want to go for blush, you can just apply a little bit tint here, a little bit tint on the lips, and you can apply a little bit of tad bit concealer over your in your under eye area, and you are good to go. Because it actually brightens your eye if you use under eye concealer. It makes a huge difference to your face. So I think Shruti, you have applied ample amount and you are done with the blush part.
Yeah, I hope it's blended.
Even
well.
I think I'm through. And yeah. So let's move on to contouring. And people say,
Love
what is
this. I just love
contouring?
this part.
Yes, even I love this part. So, Shruti, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a contour brush. Okay. I'm using this kind of a brush, which helps me contour in a good manner. So, what you can do is, if you have a normal fluffy brush, Shruti, you can press the brush like this. See, guys, if you don't have such a brush, you can just press it and contour. Okay? Yes? So this is another hack. So let's begin, Shruti. Can you see this area?
Yes, I can.
Start from here. Not from here.
I think I've applied too much.
Yes. So you can remove it with your fingers because you already have foundation on it. It's okay, completely okay if you have used a lot of product. So this is the mistake.
Yes.
This is the common mistake which people do. They take a lot of product in one go. That is why I say go slow and build the product. Okay. So just namaste, auntie. Shruti, your mom is here.
Hi, mom.
Hi, Kritika. So we are going to start from here. Shruti, no. Baby, no. From here. Can you see this area?
Yes, I can. Okay.
Yes. Just here. Concentrate here, and then once your product is deposited here, you can go slowly over here. Okay. Just bring it down very slowly and give it a small curve and blend it. It should not, there should be no harsh lines. If there are harsh lines, your makeup is not going to look good at all. Okay. I'm using Hoola bronzer. You can use any bronzer, whichever you have. Whichever. You can even use your brown eyeshadow, girls. You need not have a Hoola bronzer or any other bronzer. You can use your light brown eyeshadow. It is going to work in the same way. So,
I think I've
Shruti,
got
the
that edge
same
here.
way. So you need to soften it. What you can do is use your fingers over this area, just pat, 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 and you can also lighten it using your compact
Okay.
powder you have. Yes.
But I think it's blended well. I don't need to do that. Just tell me.
Yes. Now it's looking
My
better.
yeah, the lightning is over
Yes.
here. So please.
So start from here, girls. Okay, deposit most of the color here and then go slow. And you need not create harsh lines. They're not at all going to look good. We are not creating partitions on our face. Okay? We are just, thank you so much, Sagar Bhai.
He's here.
So, this is what you are going to do, guys. Okay? And Shruti, what we are going to do, take very little product and
Okay.
let's contour our forehead. And do not put any, do not, Shruti, you're not going to put anything here in the center. Oh, only towards the side, just giving it a shadow. Very light hand, okay? Just create a shadow here. So guys, all those who have a query will have a small question session at the end, QA session by the end. So you all can ask your queries at that point in time. So just give it a shadow.
Okay.
That's it. And you're good to go. I do not create lines on my face. Because when you go out in the sunlight, it shows a lot. And we are going for a daily look. We are not going for a proper heavy bridal look. So you do not need much for a daily look. Now, Shruti, let's go for a highlighter. And I
Oh.
know you also love that. Ooh, highlighter. Yeah.
I'm already glowing, I guess. Yes, I am. Guys, the
Ah,
lightning is
wow.
really poor. So just ignore that.
Yeah. So, guys, you can take any fluffy brush for the highlighter. You can use your eyeshadow brush, any fluffy brush, but make sure you blend it well. It should not look a separate, you are not going to create any separate lines, okay? So, Shruti, I have applied a little bit of over my brush, okay?
Okay.
And just swirling it on on the apples of my cheeks. Swirl, swirl, swirl. Hi, Surbhi. Hi, Avi. Swirl, swirl, swirl. Okay. I like these, I like the apples of my cheeks pop. So when they pop, it looks nice. When the sunlight strikes on the apples of my cheeks, you say, Malvika, why do you glow? So that's the
You
highlighter.
always glow. You glow naturally, dude. You don't need makeup.
So now you know the secret.
People like me need makeup.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So now what I am going to do, I'm just going to put a little bit here on the bridge of my nose. Shruti, light hand. Okay, whenever you're applying makeup, do not apply too much of pressure and hold the brush from a distance. And over here, Shruti, light hand and keep blending. And now we are going to also highlight our brow bones. So Shruti, we are going to highlight the brow bone, this part.
All right.
Can you see that glow, guys? It's already, see.
I hope you can see mine too.
Yes, I can. I can. And now, Shruti, this area, a little bit highlighter here.
Yes, Ricky, boys can try this too. Anybody can try this
Yes,
if you
yes.
wish.
But these days, boys do makeup. Okay, they conceal
Right.
their dark spots and everything. So, boys, you can also go for this. You can go for the basic makeup, which is the base. You need not apply blush or highlighter. So, base can be done. And you know, girls, your girlfriends will do, you know, they are going to appreciate. So you can also buy them makeup. Thank you so much, Surbhi. This is surely going to help. Your wedding is there in the month of December, I guess.
Okay, we are using
All
the
right.
highlighter, right?
Yes, I am done with the highlighting part now, and I've blended it well so that no harsh line is visible. And after I have done my face makeup, Shruti, we are going to do eye makeup now. And
Okay.
keeping in mind that girls do not put a lot during the day. So what we are going to do, either you can take your, you know, natural palette, whichever you have, or you can take a basic single eyeshadow like I have. This is baby pink. Can you see, Shruti?
Yes, I can.
This is
I
baby
think I
pink.
have something similar.
Yes, if you have something similar, because we are going for natural look, guys. We are not going to put lot of pigment over our eyelids. We are going to go very natural. So Shruti, I'm going to use a fluffy brush. Can you see the amount of eyeshadow I've taken? I'm going
Yes.
to dust off the extra and I'm going to start from here. You know your crease, not over the brow bone. No, 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 no. Here. This line, crease, follow that line. Yes. Just follow that line. This is all what you are going to do. Dust off the extra powder, okay? And just go over that line. Follow that crease. That's your crease, okay? Can you see how it makes a difference? I'm not applying much. Do not apply over the eyelids, Shruti. We are just going over the crease, okay?
Okay.
And hold the brush from here. Do not go too close, okay? Over the crease. Follow that line, Shruti. I'll take some, and please do not take a lot of product in one go. Keep building on your eyeshadow. Something is written. Uh, Shruti, can you read?
I just missed that.
Now I got to know why girls, it went up. Let me just check. Hi, Madhur. I hope everyone is doing well in your family. I hope Bhavishya is also doing well. I can't see Shruti. I think that,
Girls take so much
okay,
time while
girls
getting
take,
ready.
it's complicated, guys. So now please allow your girlfriends to take more time so that they look beautiful when they go out. Because girls do apply makeup for themselves, not for boys. Please remember that. Girls apply makeup for themselves, for their own happiness, not for guys. Let me put it very clear to you all. Now, Shruti, that's it. And what we are going to do,
Malika, you're just making me more curious to move out of the house now. During this COVID time, I don't feel like going out, but yes, you're forcing me to do that now.
so you can go for a long drive with your husband. You're blessed
Yeah,
already.
let's hope for the best.
Yes, you're ready for tonight's outing,
I'm
right?
ready. I'm definitely
So,
ready.
Shruti, pick up your highlighter, which you used.
Okay.
Take a little bit on your magic finger as you use with your kids, your index finger, and apply it over your eyelid. It would,
Okay.
and blend it. So this is called easy makeup look. And guys, we do not take so much of time. We are just going slow so that the ones who are watching are understanding side by side. And we are explaining each and every step. Okay, for your kind information, Shruti doesn't apply kajal. She's not a kohal person. But I am going to apply a little bit. I'll take another one. Let me just. Okay. So I'm using the Lakme one, and I'm going to apply it here. And as I say, I don't like harsh lines. I'm going to blend this. I don't like harsh lines at all.
How do you
So
blend
my
the
make
kajal?
I'm
Okay,
using a flat brush to blend it.
this is something new for me. Thank you.
Most welcome, dear. So I'm blending it, okay? And since I have not applied anything on my waterline, I'm going to use a nude kohl and I'm applying it here on the lower waterline. Those who have small eyes can do this and it would make your eyes pop. Guys, those who have joined, I would really say a big thank you from our side because you've taken out time for this live session. It means a lot. It really means a lot.
Seriously, guys, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for joining in, guys.
And hope you take away a
And
lot of interesting things from us today.
yes, for sure. Now, Shruti, we are going for the eyebrows. And after we have completed our eyebrows, we are going to apply mascara. Okay? So, yes, I have this benefit pencil. Shruti, what do you have?
I
Is
have
it the
something
same?
similar.
Oh,
Benefit, yeah.
as usual, we have the same products, guys. Almost the same products because, we keep discussing. I
I
think
don't buy my skincare or my cosmetics without consulting
Sagar Bhai knows better that how much money goes into this.
you. Yes, definitely.
Yes. So guys, what are we going to do? We are just going to fill in the sparse areas, okay, wherein there's no hair, and we are just going to give a natural shape to our brows. We already have got a good shape. You also have thick brows. You already have a thick and bushy brows. Hi, Himanshi. Thank you so much. So we are just going to fill in these sparse gaps. Let's begin, Shruti.
All right.
So we have a spoolie. We are just going to brush our hair upwards. And wherever we see there are gaps, you're just going to fill that gap. And Shruti, you are using Precisely My Brow, right?
Right.
Right. So Precisely My Brow and I have the Goof Proof one. So they are different. Precisely one helps you to give hair like thin structures. Okay, you can simply draw your brows. And when you have Goof Proof one, it's an easy way out. You are just going to simply give a shadow to it like this. And in case it goes out, you just use your finger to wipe it up. And I have given a simple shadow, guys. I'm not doing anything fancy. Just giving a slight shadow to it with a very light hand. Use your fingers if it goes out. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to brush my brows so that the product I have applied gets evenly spread. Okay. And after you have brushed your brows, if you still feel there are some gaps, you can fill them. Shruti has already got bushy brows, guys. She need not apply much product to her brows.
Fortunately, yes.
Yes, it's a blessing, Shruti, that you have got good brows.
Thank you, Malvika.
Most welcome. Guys, we work in the same institution, and that is how we bonded. So, thanks to St. Mark's for this beautiful bond.
Hail
Now,
Saint Mars.
Shruti, yes, hail St. Mark's. I'm a
Yes.
St. Markian since. Thank you
Ever
so
since
much,
you were like
Auntie.
you started going to the school.
Yes. So it was only 4 years that I was away from the school. The time gap between my 12th and my graduation, my B.Ed. So that was the only thing I did apart from not being. So when I was not in St. Mark's, I was doing my grad and I was doing my B.Ed. Otherwise, I was throughout in St. Mark's since I understood about life. Shruti, I think you're sweating. You need to dab that. Na?
The AC is also not working. I don't know why.
Next time it will. Now
Yeah.
it's the time to apply mascara. So let's
Okay.
begin. I'm using the Smashbox one, guys.
The hyper girl. powerful.
Yes, yes, my dear. You always know what I apply. And the same do I. So when Shruti comes to school with her beautiful lip shades, I'm the first one to guess what she has applied.
And we
And
end up
Shruti is
wearing the
like,
same
तेरे को
shade
पता
sometimes.
कैसे चल जाता है? Shruti is always like, मालविका, तेरे को कैसे पता चल जाता है? मैं क्या लगा कर आई हूँ? So that's my connection with makeup, guys. So makeup and I are, I have a beautiful bond. Like Shruti has a good bond with fashion. And my fashion sense is not that good.
Don't worry, we are in this together.
Yes, babe.
This makes my
I hope,
eyes look
guys, you're
so
not
beautiful.
getting bored. Since I've got a little bit of transfer, I'm going to use my Q-tip to remove that.
Thank you so much, Vishaka Di. Yes, Sandesh Shaukin, Bhaiya. Cheers.
I am going to apply a little bit of compact to cover that. Because what happened while applying mascara, it got transferred. Okay,
Okay.
done. So now, what are we going to do, Shruti?
Lipstick.
Yes, and we have the same shades with us, I believe. Yes?
Which one are we applying this right now?
See, right now, I have got Smashbox Gulabe and I have got this driver seat. So, Shruti, which one do you have? I'm going to apply the same one.
You know me.
Even I have
driver's
stepping
seat
out. I
anytime.
think you also have got stepping out with
Stepping
you,
out,
right?
but let's go for the driver's seat today.
Okay, let's go for the
That's gonna
driver's
stay
seat.
longer for me, right?
Yes.
Just in case
So,
he takes me
guys,
out tonight,
one
so
more
it
tip.
has to be, there.
Yes. And one more tip, guys. These days, girls, you're wearing masks when you're going out. So please use a liquid lipstick because if you're going to use a creamy lipstick, it is going to get transferred all over your face. So go on the safer side and go for a liquid lip. It is not going to get transferred. And Smashbox has the best formula. I can vouch on this, guys. Smashbox lipsticks are amazing, and Shruti is
And
loving them ever since
they're
I
very long
recommended.
lasting. They're
Yes,
very
they are
long
very
lasting.
long lasting, guys. You'll have your meals, you'll finish up your meals, and it would stay. The lipstick is not going to budge at all. And guys, these lipsticks are that pigmented that you don't even need a lip pencil. There are times that girls do go for a lip pencil. Yes, these are amazing. Yes.
Amazing.
So, Smashbox, you.
So shall
Okay,
we go
guys,
ahead?
you can order your lipstick from Nykaa. Okay, Nykaa has it all. It has got a doe foot applicator, guys, and it has got a tip which helps us to draw that line and then fill it. Guys, this is a peachy pink shade and it's amazing, I would say. I think I'm through. Wow, Shruti, you are glowing. Glowing.
Thanks to you. I think I'm ready
I think this
for
is the
the online
first time you have
classes.
applied makeup like this. Otherwise, guys, she is just a lipstick person and she would apply liner, but that too in a hurry because uh,
Right.
she would not spend much time on makeup. So, guys,
But I'm definitely going to try that
this is
now.
the natural look.
Right.
Yes, this is a natural look which we have created. This you can carry while going to your office, your work, college. Even if you are a professional, I think it's very subtle. It is not going to show a lot. So during the day, you can easily carry this look. It's affordable. You can use your own lip shades, which are cheap, and your choices. See, product choice is completely yours. We are not forcing you to use the same products. So using your own products, you can create